Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this standing balance yoga flow you can do with or without a yoga mat. Start by standing upright, feet together or hip width apart. Activate your legs. Lift up your kneecaps. Shine your palms forward and your chin is more or less parallel with the ground. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. Ground down through your feet and feel all corners of your feet connected with the ground. In mountain pose, Tadasana, shift your weight a little bit towards the backs of your feet, your heels. Notice what happens in your feet, your ankles and your legs, even your core. Then come back to center and now kind of like the Michael Jackson, shift your weight a little bit forward towards the balls of your feet without lifting your heels. And again, notice what happens. Back to center and then slowly shift a little bit to your right. Center, we're playing with our balance here. And then to your left. And back to center. Good job. So back to mountain pose. For side body stretch, keep your arms along your body. Inhale. Lift your left arm up. Exhale. Side body stretch to your right. Slide your right palm down the side of your right leg. Keep breathing. Open up your side body. Breathe in. Come back to center. And release your left arm down, other side. Inhale, reach your right arm up, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, side body stretch to your left. Keep breathing. Keep your breath smooth and steady. Ground down through your feet, especially your right foot. And then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Take a deep breath in and sweep your arms down, around and up. As you breathe out, begin to fold forward from your hip creases and place your hands on your thighs. Your upper body is more or less parallel with the ground. Keep your neck in line with your spine. And then slowly walk it out. Bend your right knee, straighten your left leg. And then bend your left leg, straighten out your right leg. So keep going. So if you're walking in place, warm up your hamstrings and calves. Nice, and then slowly come back to your half forward fold. From there, fold further. Let your hands slide down your thighs and maybe your shins. And take a moment here, hinging from your hips. Make sure that your neck is relaxed. You can gently shake your head yes, no. Feel that length and space in your spine. And then slowly as you breathe in, come up halfway. Lengthen your spine. Breathe out, fold forward. And breathe in, come up all the way. Exhale. Unite your palms and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. For a standing twist, breathe in, lengthen your arms up, breathe out, rotate your chest to your right, left arm comes down to the front, right arm down to the back. And then as you breathe in, come back to center, lengthen your arms up, exhale, right arm is in the front, left arm in the back as you're twisting your chest to your left. Then inhale, lift your arms up, turn back to center, exhale. Breathe in, lengthen your arms up. As you exhale, take cactus arms, open your chest and slightly arch your spine. Keep breathing, open your heart. And then slowly release as you inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands in prayer position. For chair pose, either place your feet on train tracks or big toes together, whichever you prefer. Imagine you're taking a seat on a chair that's not there, and lengthen your arms up. Make sure you can see your toes. Good job. Strong, active legs. And then for balance, you can lift your heels up. Hug your thighs in towards the midline and focus on that one point in front of you on the ground. And no worries if you lose balance. I'm losing mine and this is quite challenging, but we're in this together, so let's have fun with it. One more breath. Lower your heels down and release. Good job. For tree pose, stand up tall on your right leg, and you can take a kickstand with your left foot. Place the ball of your left foot on the ground, left heel against your right ankle. Notice what happens in your right foot. You can stay here with your hands on your hips or wherever you prefer. Option 2 is to place your left foot sole against your right calf. And the last option is to place your left foot against the right inner thigh. Keep your hands on your hips or place your palms together. And again, focus on one point in front of you on the ground, your Drishti. Keep your breath flowing. And with a sense of curiosity, notice what happens in your body while you're in tree pose, how your body is adjusting and holding you up to hold balance. Slowly release and shake it out and get ready for the other side. Stand up tall on your left leg. Take option 1 with the ball of your right foot on the ground, right heel against your left ankle. Option 2, place your right foot against your left calf. And the last option is to place your right foot against your left inner thigh. Keep your hands on your hips or palms together in front of your heart. Find your focus point. Keep breathing. And again, no worries if you fall out, just gently come back in, have fun with it. It's a journey. Balance is not a fixed state of being, but more like a process. Nicely done. And release, shake it out. Keep your feet together or hip width apart. Reach your arms up and slowly bend your knees for chair pose. Hold your chair pose, or for balance, lift up your heels. Remember your Drishti, your focus point. Keep your breath smooth and steady. Then airplane your arms along your body. And then slowly bring your arms forward parallel with the ground. Either stay there or maybe bend your knees and lower your seat down towards your heels, towards the ground. Come back up. A lot of wobbling, and that's totally okay. Keep breathing, and like I said before, have fun with the journey. Nicely done. Stand up tall, keep your knees together, bend your left knee, and slowly lift your left foot up. Hold on to the inside of your left foot. Reach your right arm up. You can take Gyan Mudra and hold it right here. Nice quad stretch, dancer pose. Or maybe go a little bit further, tilting your upper body forward, lifting your left leg up towards the back. And then slowly come back and bring your left knee forward. Hold on to your left knee, flex your left foot. As you exhale, open your left arm out towards the back, twist your chest to your left. As you inhale, come back to center. And then hold on to the back of your left thigh, lengthen out your left leg, or keep it bending your left knee. Stay here for option 1. For hand to foot pose, you can also hold on to your left big toe with your index finger and middle finger, and then lengthening out your left leg to the side, and reach your right arm out to your right side. Wherever you are, keep your breath smooth and steady, stay focused. Then bring your left leg back to center, bend your left knee for warrior 3 pose. Lengthen your left leg out to the back, keep your hips parallel with the ground, and flex your left foot. Tilt your upper body a little bit forward. You can keep your hands on your hips or lengthen out your arms. Then from warrior 3 pose, slowly to crescent lunge, lower the ball of your left foot down on the ground, reaching your arms up. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, take cactus arms, open your chest. Take one more breath. Then inhale, lengthen your arms up and step it forward. Place your hands on your hips. Get ready for the other side. Stand up tall on your left leg, bend your right knee, and hold on to the inside of your right foot with your right hand. Take your quad stretch right here. You can also lengthen your left arm up. Take Gyan Mudra. So you can stay here in your quad stretch. Holding your balance, find your Drishti, your focus point in front of you, or go a little bit further into dancer pose, tilting your upper body forward, kicking your right leg towards the back. Hold and breathe. Slowly come back to center. Bring your right knee forward, flex your right foot, hold on to your right knee. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, open your right arm out to the back, twisting your chest to your right. Keep breathing. Keep your balance. Keep it steady. Come back to center. And then hold on to the back of your right thigh. Lengthen out your right leg forward. Another option is to hold on to your right big toe with your index and middle finger. Straighten out your right leg and maybe bringing it out to the right side. Lengthen out your left arm to your left to create balance in your body. Wherever you are, keep your breath steady, keep your focus. Come back to center. Bring your right leg back to center. Bend your right knee. Place your hands on your hips. And then kick your right heel to the back. Flex your right foot. Keep your hips parallel with the ground. Tilting your upper body forward, warrior 3 pose. Find your Drishti, your focus point. Keep your hands on your hips. Or lengthen your arms above your head. Strong left leg, strong core. Ease in your face. Then release slowly and gracefully. Place the ball of your right foot on the ground into your crescent lunge. As you breathe in, lengthen up. As you breathe out, take cactus arms, open your chest. And breathe in, lengthen your arms up. Breathe out, step your right foot forward. Stand up tall, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, over your legs, come all the way down. Relax your neck. Soften your knees. Inhale, come up halfway, slide your hands up your shins or thighs. Exhale, fold forward. Then slowly come back up. As you breathe in, circle your arms up. Then stand up tall. From here, back to chair pose with your feet together or big toes together, feet hip width apart, whichever you prefer. Bend your knees, sit back, make sure you can see your toes, and airplane your arms. For flamingo pose, slowly lift your right foot up and notice what happens in your left foot. Hold it there. Keep your Drishti, your focus point on the ground. Let your breath flow smooth and steadily. Place your right foot back on the ground, switching sides. Shift your weight to your right leg, ground down through your right foot, and lift your left foot up to the back. Doesn't have to be really high. Find your balance. Notice what's happening in your foot. Shine your palms forward. Nice, and place your left foot down next to your right foot. Stay in your chair pose. Lengthen your arms up. For eagle pose, cross your right leg over your left. You can place the ball of your right foot on the ground or wrap it around your left calf. And then we're going to add eagle arms. Bring your arms out to the sides. Cross your right under your left. And then hug yourself, holding on to your opposite shoulder blades, option 1. This is fun and challenging. So breathe into your upper back, breathe out. You can also wrap your forearms once, place the backs of your hands together, or wrap your forearms twice. Placing your palms together. Wherever you are, make sure that you're breathing. Good job, and then slowly release. Shake it out and switch sides. Stand up tall. Bend your knees. And cross your left leg over your right. So remember, you can do kickstand. Place the ball of your left foot on the ground or wrap your left leg around your right calf. Bring your arms out to the sides. Left arm is under, right arm is on top. Hug your shoulder blades, so hold on to your opposite shoulder blades, option 1. Option 2 is to do the wrap with your forearms once, placing the backs of your hands together, or wrap twice, connecting your palms together. Hold, breathe, and then slowly release. Good work. Shake it out. And then stand up tall with your hands on your hips. Get ready for standing pigeon pose. Bring your right knee up, flex your right foot, and place your right ankle on top of your left thigh. Bend your left knee, sink your hips back and down. Keep your hands on your hips. Hold it there, notice where you feel a stretch. Keep breathing. Slowly release, come back up to switch sides. Keep your hands on your hips and place your left ankle on top of your right thigh. Flex your left foot. Start to bend your right knee and keep a length in your spine. Remember your focus point, your Drishti. Breathe. Notice the stretch in your body. Notice how your body is trying to find balance. There's so much going on at the same time. Strengthen your right leg, a stretch in your left hip, balance. So it really helps to keep your focus. And of course, keep breathing and enjoy the process. And then slowly release, come out, stand upright with your feet together or hip width apart. In mountain pose Tadasana like we started. Shine your palms forward. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a clearing breath out, giving your body a moment to balance itself out. This is a nice grounding pose. And then let's do one round of rainbow breaths. Breathe in, circle your arms down, around and up. Breathe out, turn your palms facing down, press the air away. Then breathe in, sweep your arms down, around and up, gather all the love, light and blessings. Exhale, unite your palms, draw all those beautiful blessings and energy to your whole being. Place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Give yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself and your yoga practice. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you, and thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.